How to use GO2bank Virtual Card. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we're going to discuss about how can you use the GO2bank Virtual Card. So virtual debit card is essentially a digital version of your debit card details, eliminating the need for the physical customized card. This includes crucial information such as your debit card number, expiry date, your CVV code, and the GO2bank app is where you can locate your virtual debit card. With your virtual debit card, you have the flexibility to conduct the online or phone transactions until you have received and activated your customized debit card. The virtual debit card remains active for a period of 15 days from the time you open your GO2bank account or until you activate your personalized debit card, whichever comes first. In case you have set up any recurring payments using your virtual card, you will need to make sure that you update them with information from your personalized debit card, as the expiry date and the CVV code on the virtual card differ from those on your customized debit card. So it is really important to remember that certain account features may not be accessible until you have activated your personal debit card. And talking about how can you access your virtual debit card while waiting for your physical debit card is to simply log into your account and navigate to the cards section. After that, you can toggle the Show Card Info option to view your virtual card number, expiry date, and CVV code. You have to access your virtual debit card for a period of 15 days after opening your account or until you activate your physical debit card, whichever comes first. Keep in mind that you will be required to set up a PIN for your debit card within the app before you can view your virtual debit card details. So this was all about how can you use your GO2bank Virtual Card. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.